please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Test strips have become a convenient way for the consumer to check their swimming pool water chemistry. Customers need to make sure their pool water is safe and balanced, as they may not have time to make a weekly trip to the pool store. Test strips provide a quick and easy way to measure basic pool water chemistry, such as chlorine, pH, and alkalinity. Here at EasyTest, we sell Lamotte test strips. They're a leader in water analysis since 1919. They're accurate, fast, and reliable, and they're constantly seeking to improve their test strips. We sell them in 4 different models, and the first is the Insta-TEST 3. This will test for your free chlorine or bromine, alkalinity, and pH, and they contain 50 strips. The next would be the Insta-TEST 4. This will add total hardness to your testing. Insta-TEST 5 adds the total chlorine reading. And the Insta-TEST 6 will also test for cyanuric acid. In conclusion, we have provided you with information on some of Lamotte's best-selling test strips. There are many other test strips available, such as salt, borate, monopersulfate, bacquicil, copper, iron, etc. Check out our website at easytestpools.com to find out what works best for you.